For rebar special data in the chair. The data is in the chair. The first thing we have is the plan view. The shape here is the cross section of the plan, and we find in it those blue circles you see in front of us, but we can also see the chair in its form in the plan. So if we activate this, we've done it, yes, we'll see our shape in the plan, and at that point we can arrange it normally, just as if we're, for example, reinforcing or laying out our plan. Let's go back. We have chair height, and this represents the chair height, which is from right here up to here. We'll find it to be 560, which is exactly what we have, 560. Next, we have chair width that represents the width of the chair, and this will start with us from right here. Here it will be 490 plus 5 and 5, which makes 10, so it becomes 500, which is indeed our actual value. Of course, we can enter chair width directly. We can, for example, say it's 400. At that point, it will also start to be included with me. What do we have next? Branch length. When we enter it, it won't appear with me in elevation. But if I display detailing, we'll find that this information shows up with me in... So if I keep entering a branch, it keeps increasing with me in detailing. Or for example, if I had sketched out my design in detail, which I had carefully planned and made a view in the plan, at that point, the value of the branch, as we see it in front of us on the plan, appears very clearly. And of course, even if the branch length value doesn't appear with us in elevation, that doesn't mean it hasn't been created. It has been created and has affected the length, and this will be reflected in the length that will be reflected later in the label or in the BS.